On a Mesa Draw 640T CNC, like the ones that we have installed on the Mesa Lantern 60, you have in diagnosis version Spindle monitor. You have three main screens where you can see the current spindle motor speed. This is a 3450, the maximum for this motor. And then the next page will show you the alarm, the history alarm for the spindle drive. And as you see here, the spindle drive has been working more than 73,000 hours, and these are the codes, the last code, alarm code that the drive on the display had. And then the next page will show you the power supply and the working time, as well as the alarm code history. So if you go back, you will see the option to erase the history. Let's say you have changed the power supply. So if you enter an input, it will show the time, the working time. It will erase the working time, and the option number 2 will erase or delete the history. Let's do both. As you see, now we have no history on the alarm history, and let's delete the time by always by choosing the sub key erase, and let's input, and let's check again, erase, input. Okay, I expected this to be clear, but it hasn't changed. Let's go back to servo motor, for example, and monitor, spindle monitor, and again let's choose one, input. Okay, it hasn't changed. Okay, even though we are in the service mode, because I know that we are in the service mode because of the option param. The service mode is the password 1131. If I came here in between this, between the subkey menu and this bar, in between, if I click the right button from the mouse, I can select and remove the service mode. Let's do it. So if I click here, let's do it again. Version, spindle monitor, right click, there you go, and I don't have any more the option parameter. So if I go to servo and go back, version, spindle monitor, so the option has been removed. So in the main screen we'll see the spindle, the gear number, and what I did is to set the M3 option command with the speed 500, but in this gear I can only reach up to 190 RPMs. So is what you see here. So if I try to enter another speed above that command, I'm doing this in MDI mode. I'm sorry. Let me move the windows here. So as you see here, this was the command that I gave to the CNC. And let's do it for M3 S300, and we'll do the same. We'll run up to 180, and this is the speed requested. So, but by checking in diagnosis mode, inversion and spindle monitor, I can see that I already reached the maximum speed for the motor, which is 3,450. So if I wanna check the parameter, I need to enter the right key, arrow key. Sorry, let's go to diagnosis, version, the right arrow key, 1131. Oh, sorry, I have to go to, there you go, version. There is something wrong with let me clear this and reset and go to the jog mode and go back to diagnosis, version, arrow key, right arrow key, 1131, input. Now I'm on the service mode. Let's go to parameter and okay, here we are. So the maximum speed is 3,450 in the core gear, and the M41 is up to 110, M42 is up to 190, and we will check these two. So let's go to position and shift gear, and now we will change from 2 to 3. So let's run in MDI mode, M3 S500, input cycle start. So the maximum is 290. Let's go back to diagnosis, version, spindle monitor, parameter, page down. Okay, that's okay, 290. And let's check the last one, that is M40 position. Let's reset here. Let's go to rapid mode, position, gear shift, number 4. Okay, now we are in the M44 gear. Let's go to MDI mode, M3 S, let's say 700, input cycle start. Yes, the maximum speed you can reach is 505. Let's check the diagnosis version, spindle monitor, and you see that is the maximum speed. And let's check the spindle parameter. Okay, that is okay. So we have all the parameters well adjusted, and we will check the threading. Thank you.